सेंटर 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 सारा जी नमस्ते। सारा जी सेंटर 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 सारा 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 जी आपके राइट। सारा जी हाथ में क्या है? एक गुड मार दो। एक गुड एक गुड एक गुड एक गुड एक किलो। क्या बात है? छोड़ना मत हमारे पे ये तो बनता है बनता। क्या बात है क्या बात है? पानी है पानी दिल्ली का बनता। पैसा लगा क्या कर रहे हो? वन मोर मैडम। अरे हिलो मत ना। नमस्ते।
Firstly, guys, please be a little calm. Everybody is gonna watch this promotion. Please do not worry. And secondly, can we hear you guys make some noise with the one and only Sara Ali Khan?
Thanks for having me here. It's really overwhelming. It's exciting. It's been so long since a film of mine is about to come, and I'm so thankful to be able to share this day with you.
Sara, you see the love that these guys shower in you. It's just true love. It comes from the heart. I'm so happy that you're back with us here. You came for your debut film, and you're back again
Yes,
for
I
Gandhi
am.
Day.
Yes, I am.
We're so super excited. Everybody, from the front to the back to the left to right, can we please show her what Kshitij is and make some noise? Yes?
Thank you for all the love that I hope you will give me.
Of course, yes. They already are.
So yeah.
We're really excited for this song. What we're going to do is, we want to have a look at the song with you. The audience is really excited. Are you guys excited? And this is great. I think
इतनी एनर्जी जो थी 6 महीने की एनर्जी
that's true.
अंदर थी.
You've channelized it in the right way, and I know you love your fans. We've got one more request. They want you to perform a few song for them, right? Do you guys want this or not? We've got the entire crew ready here backstage. Yes, this one's only for you guys. That's because she loves you all as much as you guys do. Ladies and gentlemen, Chaka Chak, Sara Ali Khan, live for you. Up for this. Okay. Guys, you cannot miss out on this opportunity. अच्छा कितने लड़कों को आना है पहले हाथ ऊपर कीजिए. अच्छा आप पीछे नहीं मिलेगा हाथ पीछे. Okay, we got. लोगों की प्रॉब्लम थी वो भी सॉर्ट हो गई. We got girls who are ready to dance with you. Okay, guys, come on stage, please. And please make some noise for Sara because she's doing this just for you guys. Let's go. absolute fans. And now, please give it up for Sara. I think she's done a brilliant job in this song. Alright, time for a few questions now. I think we've had a lot of dance and music. I want to know a lot of things from you. Firstly, tell me, how is this experience of coming back to college with seeing real people in front of you after 2 long years?
Amazing. It's amazing, and I just want you to know this is the first time, and maybe like one of the only times, I'm going to see this song like on a big screen.
Wow.
So genuinely, thank you guys for making this possible for me. I do this for you guys. I love my job a lot, but I can't deny that a really large part of it is to be able to come and see young people, old people, girls, boys just laugh and have fun and enjoy themselves. And y'all are the people that motivate and inspire me to do anything that I do. So, truly, thank you.
Sara, before you came, I think a lot of people, they just had this one dialogue that they were saying. They said, Namaste Darshako.
Namaste, Darshako.
That's wonderful. But Sara, how was it working with 3 powerhouses? We had Dhanush sir, we had Akshay Kumar sir, and of course, the very, very talented Anand L. Rai sir. How was the experience? What is so different about this film that you've never done? What is so different about the character that you've never played?
I think the like Bihari dialect is new. Throwing bottles is new. My first solo song is new. All of it is new. I think that Anandji is just the most loving, he's just superb. He's so emotional and he just makes you understand exactly what the character is feeling and helps you get that to life. Dhanush sir is Thalaiva of the South, as we know.
Yeah.
Akshay sir is Thalaiva of the North, which I used to call him. And it was just so inspiring, you know, so much energy, such positivity. I mean, Akshay sir is one of the biggest stars ever.
Absolutely.
Dhanush sir is a national award winner. It was just great to be able to be on that set. Was a privilege in and of itself. And this song, I mean, Shreya ma'am, Vijay sir, my choreographer, Irshad sir's lyrics, Rahman sir's music, I can't believe this is me. Like, I'm in shock. I'm like, what? Really?
This is wonderful. And I must say, with the kind of people that have been involved in this project, I'm sure it's a wonderful feeling.
Thank you.
And it's going to take you places. We can already see that. The way you've evolved as an actor, the way you've evolved as a human being, your humility, it speaks volumes. So thank you so much
Thank you.
for doing what you do and inspiring a lot others in being like you. My next question to you is, of course, very simple. When you have people like Akshay Kumar, when you have people like Dhanush sir, when there's someone like A.R. Rahman, his music, does it inspire you or do you feel a little intimidated? कि यार कैसे करेंगे?
You have to meet these people in real life. Dhanush sir, Akshay sir, Anand sir, ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि मतलब ये दिग्गज सितारों के बीच एक नई लड़की आई है. They are so warm, so welcoming, so encouraging, so inspiring. मतलब I couldn't have asked for a better team at all.
And I think all that result has shown. We can see it in the trailer, and I'm sure we're going to be seeing it in the movie as well. Can we please give it up for Atrangi Day once?
Thank you for all your love, and watch the film on Christmas.
Yes, it's streaming from the 24th of December exclusively on Disney Plus Hotstar. But Sara, your fans, they really want to talk to you. They want to ask a lot of questions to you. So we gave them an opportunity. We've had people in the audience who want to ask a few questions. So yes, can you guys kindly raise your hands and we're going to be giving you an opportunity to ask your questions. Can we have a mic that is passed on there? Yes? Yes, there he is.
Yeah, so my question was, how was your college experience and is there any particular fun incident that you remember?
College was a blast, as you guys know, I'm sure. I think the best part of it was living alone. I think that I learned so much on just like being on my own. I missed India a lot, I missed mom a lot. But I think college was just amazing. There's not one thing I can point out. But I'll tell you this, that I went to college to study law. And I did an acting course there. And I participated in a play there, and that's what changed my life, which is why I'm here right now. Because I decided I want to act. college.
That's wonderful. Yes, we have one more person who wants to ask a question. Can you please pass on the mic? Yes.
When you are on set, what do you do to unwind?
When I'm on set, what do I do to unwind? I think after set is when I unwind. But on set, I think that just being fully present, listening to my director, participating with my team, listening to music if I need to, not get distracted. That's what I do.
Yes, can you please have a huge round of applause? Okay, this is the final question that we're taking. Thank you so much to the fans. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I have one last question for you, Sarah.
Please.
There's a lot of people here. I know a lot of my friends who really look up to you, who want to be like you in one way or the other. If you had to give them a piece of advice to just make it big in whatever field that they want, what would it be?
Don't want to be like anybody. That person already exists. Be you, be honest to who you are, and work hard, because all dreams that are really wanted do come true at the right time.
Alright, Sarah, I just want to thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much
Before we
for
let you
having
go,
me.
we've got a few activities planned.
Activities?
Yes, a few activities planned. Our team has got a cake for you.
Oh, yummy.
Now that we're launching the song Chaka Chak, we have a cake for you, and
Okay.
we'd love for you to cut that with us. Do you guys want that or no? Come on, be a little louder.
Before cake, मैं मोटी हो जाऊंगी suddenly. सही कहा, अभी ले लो.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yeah, hold set. Sara, wait, Sara. Sara, look at center. Center में नहीं है. सारा जी आपके राइट में. सारा सेंटर. सारा जी नमस्ते. सारा ने राइट. सारा नमस्ते. नमस्ते.
आप लोगों ने मेरे नमस्ते को पोज बना दिया है, पता है? मैं एक्चुअली बोलती हूँ नमस्ते।
सारा जी सारा हिट है सारा। बाकी लोग भी करते हैं। बाकी लोग भी करने लगे अभी नमस्ते।
Alright, yes, can we please have the table, can we have the cake please?
केक काटो और घर जा।
Love them.
We love you
I've seen them interact more with you than anybody else. I think I've seen them interact with you more than anybody else, and that's how much they love you. Yeah.
They know who the OG Namaste girl is.
Oh yeah!
They are aware.
Absolutely.
This might not be.
कोई और भी कॉपी करते हैं।
Chattu ji.
आज ही है ना?
Yes, Sarah, can we please have you? It's cake cutting time. ऊपर उठा लो, सबको मिलेगा केक. Yes,
सबको
please.
देंगे.
Yes, सबको मिलेगा. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Before we end this, Sarah, we have one token of love and appreciation from our side that we want to give you for being a part of our event, for being here with us. It's such a special opportunity, and trust me, we'd love to have you over and over again with all your films. Can we please have, yes, our request, Yashmi Gudeja, who's our chairperson, to kindly hand over to Sarah. Can we, yes, can we quickly have the team, yes, can we have a picture, yeah. Alright, thank you so much guys, thank you. One more surprise before we let you go. I'm going to request Ayush and Yash, who are the co-owners of Rolling Bullet Entertainment, to kindly come up on stage. And Chronicle Ventures, Tanit Shrimmy, please have you here. Yes. They're the ones who made this event possible. Please give them a huge round of applause. Yes, we have one more photo. Guys, can we have Team Rolling Bullet and Chronicle? Shootage in 1, 2, 3. Out of this, it was lovely having you here. Please give a huge round of applause, everybody. All the very best for our Thorny Day. It's streaming from the 24th of December exclusively on Disney Plus and Hotstar. Thank you so much once again. We wish you all the luck for this time. Thank you so much. Thank you.
चलो